So to set some context, yeah, and I still have nightmares about this occasionally. So my team and I, this is probably 2015. We were very excited to deploy a new algorithm to production. It was it needed to score in near real time. We developed a fantastic model. What we thought was a fantastic model. We were leveraging well over 100 features. Had several thousand parameters, I think, in the model. Performed fantastic. We'd made our business case to all our stakeholders around how valuable it was going to be compared with what we were previously doing. And then every time, we deployed it at like a very small amount of traffic initially, but when it came to monitoring our metrics, like hang on a sec, it's just not having the impact that we expect. We really, and then that's when we just uncovered more and more and more issues and problems in our processes, problems in our code, problems with the data. Every issue we found, it seemed to set us back, several weeks to try and identify what was causing it, and then we couldn't get feedback until we launched a new experiment, and then we'd uncover another handful of problems, and it was painful.
Because everything was working okay when it was in staging, and then when you pushed it to prod was when it would start to go off the rails. This algorithm was built from data, in our databases, and we had quite clean databases that could be used for analytics and could actually be used by statisticians and actuaries to kind of build simple statistical models. What we didn't realize actually that the data that we were using, there were a lot of transformations and formatting changes in that data set. Really, with the intention of cleaning it up to make it easier to consume and analyze and report on. The production environment didn't replicate those transformations. Something else we learned later down the line was the way we deployed this algorithm. We were basically generating code so that we could kind of translate our algorithm to run in this platform that we kind of ran pricing models through. What we didn't realize was there were another bunch of transformations that were done prior to any data entering that platform. And again, most of these were undocumented. In fact, none of the other pricing teams were aware of these transformations, and many of the pricing models were not working properly, and had been that way for several years because no one had really looked at the impact of these or understood the impact of if we change a missing value from 0 to -1, that shouldn't have any impact, should it? But actually, that can. If you're modeling a continuous variable, that actually can cause changes to the predictions that an algorithm makes. There were many issues like that around transformations. No any one team really understanding the full process or owning the process.